In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start making money with a professional portfolio site. This video isn't just about looking legit, it's about giving people a clear, friction-free way to understand your value, hire you, or buy from you. And the best part is you don't need to be a designer, coder, or tech genius to make it happen. I'm going to guide you through step-by-step through the process using tools that are beginner-friendly, time-saving, and designed to help you launch quickly and confidently. So grab a notebook because this could be the moment that turns your ideas into income. So let's start off with the big picture. Why does having a portfolio site even matter? These days, everything happens online. People research before they reach out. They want to get a feel for who you are before committing to anything. And let's be honest, social media alone doesn't cut it anymore. A portfolio site is your digital home. It's the place that ties everything together and showcases your work, your story, and your offers in one central place. When someone lands on your site, they should immediately understand what you do, who you help, and how to take the next step. This builds trust before a single conversation even starts. Your portfolio site also works while you sleep. It showcases your services, explains your processes, and even sells for you when you're offline. You don't have to chase every opportunity, your site attracts them. The biggest advantage is control. Social media can change the rules overnight, but your website is fully yours. You get to decide how it looks, what it says, and how people experience your brand. That ownership is everything when you're building something long-term. And finally, portfolio sites don't just help you land clients, they help you create new income streams, whether that's selling digital products, taking bookings, offering downloads, or even recommending affiliate tools that aligns with your niche, or even recommending affiliate tools that align with your niche. If you've been waiting for the perfect time to finally create your site, this is it. Step number 1 is to build your site fast and stress-free. Let's talk about actually the building portion. So this is where most people freeze. The design feels overwhelming, writing copy feels confusing, and you end up pushing it off for another month. But the truth is you do not need to build everything from scratch. If you're someone who wants to get something up quickly without worrying about coding or plugins, then I highly recommend using Storebuild.ai. It is the perfect tool to start with. It's an AI-powered site builder that helps you create a full professional-looking portfolio in just a few clicks. You simply answer a few prompts about who you are, what you do, and the kind of style you're going for, and it generates a clean, customizable website based on that input. You can then personalize everything, update your hero section, plug in real project examples, write a short intro, and link to anything from your booking page to your Instagram. And it's built on Shopify, so it's flexible enough to scale with you as you grow. If you want to follow along, use our exclusive link down in the description below. The cool thing about Shopify too is it's actually completely free. I will say you do need to pay for a Shopify account, but Storebuild itself is free. So if you want to get started, we'll click go ahead and build your store for free. Then what we're going to do is add in our name, our email, and a phone number, create your free account. Now, all we have to do is go through a couple of steps right here. It's super, super simple. Maybe you are a sports coach, so we can go ahead and click sports. We'll click a banner. We can choose a banner style. We can click next. Now we have to create a Shopify account like I mentioned. You can just add in that same email address and you can start a free trial. Just want to create a password and create a Shopify account. Okay, so with our exclusive link, you actually can get a free 3-day trial. And then after the 3 days are up, you can continue to try it for $1 a month for the first 3 months, which is 97% off. You can cancel at any time. So if you would like to do that, just type in your first name, last name, card information, and then click subscribe. We're going to skip this customized setup since we're using Storebuild. Once your Shopify account is created, we'll just copy that URL and we'll go ahead and paste it right there. Next, we need to activate ZenDrop, which again, we can install for free. Enter in your email. Cool, we'll click install. Amazing, continue onboarding. What I love about Storebuild is it just walks you through the process step by step. Now, all you have to do is go live and it has created a custom built website for you. Your custom built website will show up in Shopify and it'll be in your online store. And then from here, you can just customize it completely. Again, if you want to check out Storebuild and get started on a free Shopify account, use our exclusive link down below. Okay, step number 2 is to create a way for people to pay you. Now that your site is live, the next question is, how do people actually buy from you? It's one thing to have a pretty portfolio. It's another thing entirely to have a site that converts. If someone lands on your page and wants to take action, you need to make it super simple. That's where, again, Shopify comes in. Shopify isn't just for product sellers. It works beautifully for service providers, freelancers, and digital creators who want to package their offer and provide a smooth checkout experience. With Shopify, you can create listings for services like one-on-one calls, template bundles, coaching sessions, or custom design packages. You can also sell digital downloads like ebooks, Notion templates, and PDF guides. Let's say you're a social media manager. You might offer a 30-day content calendar, a customizable caption bundle, or a full content audit service. You can list these 3 right on your site. And instead of asking someone to email you or fill out a random form, you send them directly to a page where they can book and pay. It reduces friction, makes you look professional, and allows you to automate parts of your business right from the start. You don't need to set up a full store. Just start with 1 or 2 simple offers that reflect your zone of genius. Step number 3 is design a visual identity that feels like you. Design really does matter. A good-looking site creates trust, and trust leads to conversions. But the good news is you don't need to be a designer to create something that feels aligned and intentional. Canva gives you all the tools you need to brand your site in a way that reflects your personality and message. Inside Canva, you can create your logo, define your brand colors, choose your fonts, and design things like hero images, section headers, social preview graphics, and even testimonial blocks. Let's just say you're a wellness coach. You can use Canva to create a clean header, a mock-up of your free checklist, visuals for your service tiers, and even branded Instagram story templates that match your site. Or if you're a virtual assistant, you can design your service offerings, build a branded about section, and create assets that explain your process in a visual way. The key here isn't to look fancy, it's to look clear and cohesive. Consistency builds brand trust, and Canva makes that really easy, even if you're starting with 0 experience. Start with a few assets that help people understand what you offer. Then, as you grow, you can refine or upgrade over time. If you want to get started with Canva, I've left that link down below. I literally use Canva every single day, but I wanted to show you the brand kit, which you do need to upgrade to the pro plan if you want it. They do have a free plan. The only limitations are the amount of storage, which eventually as you use it, since I use it every day, you'll have to upgrade. Brand kits as well. And there's some other things like background removal that you have to be upgraded in just a bunch of different templates. So I have a million different brand kits, but you can just add new, or just to kind of show you, you can have your actual logo in here, you can have your fonts, you can have your colors. So it just makes it really easy to stay cohesive with, of course, your website, but also other things like posting on social media and YouTube and creating thumbnails and stuff like that. So again, if you want to check out Canva, that link is down below for you. Step number 4 is to make it personal. This part is huge. Most people think they need to look professional to earn credibility, but in reality, what people want is to connect with you, your vibe, your values, and your energy. That means don't hide behind vague copy or stiff corporate language. Instead, be human. Talk directly to the people who you want to work with. Write your about section like you're speaking to a friend. Share the story behind why you started. Include a real photo of yourself. Yes, even if you don't feel ready. And speak in your natural voice. You don't need a massive portfolio to launch. If you only have one client project or one personal concept piece, that's enough to start. What matters is showing the intention behind your work. When people land on your site, they want to know 2 things: what you do and whether they vibe with you. If you can deliver that in an authentic, clear way, you're already ahead of the game. Now, I just wanted to talk about a few bonus tips to make your site convert. First, add testimonials. Even if they're simple, one sentence from someone you've helped can go a long way. Next, consider recording a short video intro. 30 seconds of you talking directly to the camera can dramatically boost trust and connection. You can also include a start here button to guide people to your main offer or download. Don't assume visitors will make it out on their own. Make the path obvious. If you're building an email list, offer a free download like a checklist, a sample template, or a short guide. This helps build your list and creates early value before someone even books you. And lastly, don't forget to connect your socials. Your portfolio should link out your Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or whatever platform you use to share your work. The more touch points you provide, the easier it is for people to connect with you in different ways. Now, finally, you don't need to be an expert. You don't need to have a massive audience. You just need to get started with one single step. Your portfolio site is the foundation for your next level. It gives you a home base, a conversion engine, and a clear way for people to understand your value and in turn pay for it. You don't have to build it perfectly, you just have to get started. Again, I highly recommend StoreBuild. It's such an easy, fast, stress-free way to get started. Use your voice, your experience, and your story to make your site magnetic. All of the tools I mentioned are linked below if you want to explore them further. A lot of them have free trials or starter plans to help you get moving without overcommitting. That wraps up this video. This channel is dedicated to helping you build smart, scalable side hustles through digital tools, content creation, and creative online income. Whether you're freelancing, selling templates, or turning your skills into offers, we're here to help you grow with confidence and clarity. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.